Hello everybody, today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim Excel system pack for uric acid reagent kit. Yeah, you can see this is the top view of the reagent kit. You can see the brand name Erba Mannheim, and this is compatible with all Erba Mannheim Excel system series machines analyzers. And this is the front view. Here also you can see the brand name Erba Mannheim Excel system pack. Over here you can see the manufacturing details, Erba Diagnostic Mannheim, and the address details. Over here you can see the code number. Code number of the product is 121023, and over here you can see the product reagent kit name uric acid. Over here you can find the pack size. Reagent 1 is of pack size 5 into 44 ml and reagent 2 is of 5 into 11 ml. And here you can see the kit content, what are the kit presents inside the reagent kit. R1 reagent 1 is uric acid reagent 5 into 44 ml, and R2 uric acid reagent is 5 into 11 ml. These are the kit present inside. This is a C certified IVD product. You can see the shelf life of the product is 18 months, and this product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, so that only I am using ice pack to maintain the temperature of the product. These are the content present in this pack of Erba Mannheim Excel system pack for uric acid. Thank you.